Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 GMC Sierra. GMC has officially unveiled the 2025 GMC Sierra, a bold evolution of its flagship truck that combines rugged power with modern luxury. Built for both hard-working professionals and discerning truck enthusiasts, the 2025 Sierra is a testament to GMC's commitment to innovation, strength, and style. A bold and modern design, the 2025 Sierra introduces a refreshed exterior that blends muscular lines with aerodynamic efficiency. Striking front fascia, the redesigned grille and LED headlights exude confidence and power. High-strength body, constructed with advanced materials for improved durability and reduced weight. Exclusive colors and finishes, including premium metallic tones and off-road ready packages. Unrivaled performance. The new Sierra delivers exceptional performance, whether on the job site or the open road. Engine options. Offers a choice between a turbocharged V6, a robust V8, and a cutting-edge diesel engine for maximum towing and fuel efficiency. Advanced suspension. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride and excellent off-road capability. Best-in-class towing. A tow rating that sets new benchmarks for heavy-duty performance. A luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Sierra, and you'll find an interior that combines rugged functionality with premium comfort. Refined materials, premium leather, wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces elevate the cabin experience. Technology forward. A 15-inch infotainment screen, wireless connectivity, and a customizable driver display keep you connected. Spacious design. Ample legroom and storage make it ideal for both work and leisure. Safety and innovation. GMC prioritizes safety and innovation in the 2025 Sierra. Super Cruise technology. Hands-free driving on compatible roads. Trailering assistance. Includes hitch guidance and camera views for seamless towing. Comprehensive safety suite. Features adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Versatility for every driver. Whether you're looking for a dependable workhorse or a luxurious daily driver, the 2025 GMC Sierra has a trim level to suit every need. Base model, built tough for work environments. Denali Edition, a pinnacle of luxury and performance. At 4X trim, off-road excellence with trail-ready features. Coming soon, the 2025 GMC Sierra is set to arrive at dealerships in early 2025. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, unmatched capability, and refined luxury, it's poised to redefine expectations in the pickup truck market. Experience the 2025 GMC Sierra, where power meets sophistication and capability knows no bounds. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.